Think you need a BT40 machine for these large workpieces? You can machine them on a BT30 machine. SPEEDIO. Large workpieces machining solutions. For large workpieces requiring multi-face machining,
HU550Xd1.
Equipped with a large tilting rotary table, the largest jig area in the SPEEDIO series. Enabling multi-face machining with 5 axes. Integration of processes requiring multiple machines. For large workpieces requiring a wide jig area, W1000Xd2. Thanks to the excellent accessibility, operators can easily load and unload workpieces and change tools. Equipped with a large table. The largest jig area among BT30 machines. The high column specification expands the jig area. Standard specification. High column 150, 250, 350. Machining EV frames in a single setup with high column and T200 add. Two-part machining of medium-sized workpieces also possible. Thanks to the large jig area, 2 medium-sized workpieces can be machined simultaneously.